but we just wanted to sort of give a lay of the land of what a high-level distribution model option would look like. So first here, in what we call the traditional or open access model, this is where the manufacturer or their 3PL are going to ship products to what we call the full-line wholesalers. A lot of times they're considered, the big three, big four, and in this case, they have each about 30 different forward distribution centers that will house the manufacturer's product and then send it on to various different customers. Simplified here is to show the hospital market or acute market and also to retail pharmacy. So this is the main path for products to get to retail pharmacies and then ultimately on to the patient. The next model in the open access space is what we refer to as the alternate specialty light pharmacy model, or ASL. In this case, the pharmacy receives a product directly from the manufacturer or their 3PL, and they provide mail order services to their patient. In addition to the product, these pharmacies, with the use of technology, support adherence and affordability issues that manufacturers and patients might otherwise encounter. This strategy is typically employed for those products that are not the standard low-cost product in the wholesale channel, but also not quite as expensive as those products typically found in the specialty channels. In this situation, the prescribers can still order the product for their patient, but instead of sending the script to the retail pharmacy, for example, it is sent to the ASL vendor through their EMR. Next, we're going to talk about limited distribution model, or LDD. So this is going to encompass both specialty distributors and specialty pharmacies. In the specialty distributor network, they are aligned typically with those larger wholesalers, but instead of having all of those forward DCs, they have 1 to 2 distribution centers where they would house your product, and they would typically ship overnight to their customers, which are going to be the hospitals and also physician office and clinics. So with the specialty distributors and the specialty pharmacies, that limited distribution model is really there to support high-touch, high-cost drugs that have complexities and have that need to have a quick turnaround and an overnight shipment potentially onto their customers. When we talk about the specialty pharmacy, it is used again for those high-cost products, but also the specialty pharmacies provide nursing and dosing support, as well as financial assistance. In addition, the manufacturers can keep a greater sense of control with their specialty pharmacy network if they keep it limited, and also receive enhanced data insights that they might not receive from the wholesalers and specialty distributors.